we're back with another video, and this was a pretty big job. As you can see, it was a $2,000 job, and the house really was not that dirty, so we didn't wash the entire house with chemicals. There were spots on the fascias and some parts of the siding where we did have some algae growth that we did need to hit with chemical, but pretty much for the most part we were basically just rinsing this house with water because this guy had construction being done, and we were just pretty much washing away dust. And so we did the whole house. We did all the patios. He's got like an inner screened in deck there too that we did, like a stone kind of patio screened in that we did that too. We did the pool house, and then all of the stonework all around his property. So all in all, we were probably 5-6 hours into this job. With going back the next day, that's probably what it took us. And obviously, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how we landed this job, and we actually got this through our organic Google ranking. So the guy was searching power washing companies. We came up. He saw that we looked like a good company. We had all good reviews, and we branded ourselves very well, and he gave us a call. It's also very, very important that you pick up the phone when people call you, or call them back as soon as possible, because we've gotten a lot of people that tell us that we're one of the only companies that picked up right away, or called them back right away, and that's one of the biggest selling points right there for us. And that helps us land a lot of jobs that other companies are missing out on just because they're not picking up the phone. So that's one very important thing to note and keep track of. Besides, that's a pretty straightforward job. Basically just spraying water, a little bit of soap here and there. It took us a decent amount of time just because there was so much to wash and so much to kind of rinse down and everything. But for $2,000, it's really not like I can't complain about it. So also with the copper gutters, you see that they have the copper gutters. I was looking that up, and I saw that sodium hypochlorite doesn't mix well with copper gutters, and they could actually mess them up. So I did my best to. At first I did a little test spot on the gutters, and then nothing happened. So I just did my best to wet everything as much as possible, keep the gutters as wet as possible, and try not to get as much solution as I normally would on the gutters. And yeah, we didn't have a problem with that. I rinsed all the water away. I've rinsed all the soap away, as soon as possible once I sprayed it. And yeah, it was pretty much, that's basically it for this job. There's not really much more to explain here. Basically just spraying water on a house for the most part. But it was a big job. It did take us a lot of time. But we did walk away with a good amount of money from this. So if you're interested in starting your own power washing business or any kind of service-based business, definitely subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter. I post a lot there about how we market, how I'm running the business, just everything that goes into this journey, into this whole entrepreneurial journey. And I try to help people as much as possible because so many people have helped me in my journey. So I know how huge it is. So definitely leave a comment, subscribe, like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.